everyone, thanks for joining. Today, I'm going to showcase a solution which we have built for nonprofit organization, which will help them to attract, convert more donors with less efforts. To achieve this, we have used a composable architecture, which is consisting of Drupal 11 with Experience Builder for no-code page creation. Plus, we are using some AI tools for translation and accessibility. And along with that, we have CDP powered personalization to reach the right donor at the right time. So without wasting much time, let's jump to the demo. Now, this demo is built for nonprofit organization which empowers the community. So if you see over here, the site has all the details related to the impact numbers, how they are fostering the communities, how they are transferring the lives, what is the sustainable empowerment and everything. So to give you a brief about how we have built this site, we have built this site mostly out of the box. We have very less custom code written over here, and everything is based on the components that we have designed. So if you see here, each page will have the components designed in a way that you can just add them on the page and it will start showing it. And all the components, probably 20 components that we have designed, and all of them have been like you can include in any of the page that which will be like coming out of the box. So now I'll showcase you how we have used this experience builder plus some AI things that which I have told you in the beginning, right? So now let me show you how Experience Builder, we have implemented. Currently, Experience Builder is not having a stable version. Team is working towards making it stable, but whatever they have released till now, we were able to, integrate with our Drupal site. So I'll try to show you how we have integrated the Experience Builder. There might be some hiccups over here, but as soon as we will have the stable version of Experience Builder, the solution will also have the stable release within it. Let's try create a page using Experience Builder where I can showcase you how using Experience Builder you can create a page without any coding. So let's say how we have built the society are creating this page to show towards this society. Uh, Currently, we don't need any cards. It's just because we are going to build everything from the experience builder. But this is a required thing filled because like, we have used the same structure for all the content types where, we have all the components added to the content type. So for now, please bear with me. Let me just fill this information, but the relative information would come from the experience builder only. Okay, let's use the related cards for now and let's save it. So now let's see. Once you click on the save button, you will end up coming on this page, but you have the CTA. Once you click over it, you will be able to see there is a whole new canvas got open. Now within this canvas, you will be able to play around with page builder components where you can, place some of the components and create your page. Don't bother about like, there are some errors, but yeah, as soon as we will have the stable release, like, we will be able to see more of the things working with the site. Now coming to the components, so they have already built some pre-built components which are very useful for you to build the page. So let's wait. Yeah, see, here are. So these are the components which is coming with the experience builder itself. So let's try to use a couple of components and then I'll showcase you the preview of that page. So let us first see what we can use. Let's try to use this hero image that we can include over here. Post that, let us use one of the section with it. Yeah, so you see now this page is coming into the shape. Like, once one you have the hero image, other you have the our mission, and then let's also add some heading. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, here you go. The heading is also over here. Now we have more components like, you can have one column layout also, then two column layout also, plus you have some badge that you will be able to showcase them, plus some icons if you want to add it. But right now with the current setup, I think this is good to showcase you for the preview. Let me click on the preview. Now you can see, I see like, this page is already created, using experience builder. Now I don't have to write anything or include anything from the, page creation, like, include a component from one place and then adding it over here. However, this is how, Experience Builder have worked. So the component is already created. You just click it one time and you will have it on your page. Currently, I am not able to showcase you how we would be able to change the content over here, but definitely those settings will come over here where you can rename the CTA, plus you can add the links over here, plus you can update the title, the content over here, plus image, the way that you want to use it. Yeah, that's how Experience Builder is it, and you would be able to easily create the pages for your website. So this is the one thing where marketers would love to have this experience builder into their site, because this doesn't require much of the effort, and plus easily they will be able to create the page. Okay, so now let's go and check how we are using AI to translate the content. So I have enabled a translation module for generic details page content type, and I have added the language, that is Spanish. And just to showcase how translation will work with the AI, let me give you a show over here. Yeah, so this is about us. You edit it, then you go to the translate page. Now, when you come down to this translate page, you will be able to see there is no translation for about us page in Spanish. Now, in earlier days, what we were used to do is that we used to manually translate everything and then populate this particular page. But now, just with one click, you will be able to create a translation. So now we are going to use this GPT 3.5 Turbo model to translate the whole content of about us page. See, it has already started to translate it. Now let this get complete and we will go to the page and see if it actually worked or not. Okay, okay. It says 100% done. Okay, so I think the translation got created. So let me open this translation and let's see. Yeah, so the translation is there. Okay, for the about us page. Okay, let me see how much it has helped us to do the translation. Oh, even the, headings and everything got translated. Like it might be here and there, we might have to do some more, like, we might have to do 5% of the manual work, if at all, if we review it and then find like, there is a variation in 5% of the work, but otherwise, like, it seems like it has translated the whole page. So again, yeah, with the use of this AI, we are able to translate the page very quickly, and it saves a lot of time plus budget and everything, right? So the turnaround time for this with less effort is very good, right? Now let us also see one of more feature that we have added for translation is to give the alt text to an image. So let us also try to do this. Let's click on the media, add media, images. Let's now upload an image, non-profit. Yeah, this is fine. Let's see if we are able to generate the alt text. So I have made one setting, like, as soon as you upload an image, like it will, like, automatically add the alt text without any manual action that you need to take. Otherwise, you can click on this particular button to generate the, alt text of the site. Sorry, alt text of the image. Like there might be a case where you already have uploaded an image and you want to get it rectified with the AI, like, want to replace it to see whether, which one makes more sense. Then you can click on this button and it will replace the previous alt text with the new one. So again, with this, we are using an AI to, generate certain things which previously we used to spend some time, but now with the use of AI, we are able to do it quickly. So these are a couple of features that I have explained, like, the experience builder plus some AI use cases, like, translation and accessibility. Now let's jump to this personalization aspect of the, the donation, which will help actually a non-profit organization to convert, or like, as I said earlier, like, to attract and convert more donors. So let's also look how we have implemented, the donate form using personalization to attract more donors towards it. So this is the donation form, and if I show you, okay, currently, yeah. So just to add, we are using analytics over here to personalize this experience. Before I go into that, I need to remove uh, the already, like, this is already personalized, so I don't want to use it, the previously what we have used. So let me clear the cookies. Now, let me refresh the page. So let's do it from the beginning. Okay, now you were able to see this is the donation form that we have created. So now how we have personalized, this is a very small use case of personalization where, you will be able to fill this form, you will be, doing a donation, and from there on, we will, create a journey for a user that helps, for allowing them to do more donation. So let us see this journey first. So first field is for the denomination, like, which currency you want to use. Then let me click the amount over here. I'll say I'll add my name over here. Let me add Jitesh @20 plus 2 Select some country. I want to donate health. Okay. Yes, I would like to receive this. Okay. I filled each and every information. Now, we don't have actual payment gateway currently. We are in progress for this, but currently when you click on this, we are just processing the thank you message for now. But from here, the background processes have been done, right? We have triggered the personalization using CDP. We have triggered the marketing automation from over here. So now let's see how everything have, went on through. Let's first check, like, whether we were able to create what you can say uh, personalization or not. Like, whether we were able to create a user in the CDP or not. Let's search the user mp2 excelbank.com. Yeah. Okay, now let's see, like, if we were able to capture the information of that user. Like, I can see, like, we have captured this information of that user. Plus, we have also triggered the same thing for, for marketing automation. Like, we have sent the very same information to Mautic also, which we are using as a marketing automation. So if you see Jitesh.Khatwani plus NP2, which was that email address that we have used uh, for that donation, I think that is over here. And with this Mautic, what we have done is that we have created a campaign, like, which will send an email to the user with some information which will be coming from the lytics end, and we will utilize that to personalize the donation form. So now what will happen is that now you don't have to log in or use the same browser in order the system to understand what the last donation you made. Okay, so now if you see, like, as soon as there is a first time donor, the segment the user is added into that segment, there would be an email will get triggered, which is first time donor email, right? So let's see whether that email was triggered or not. So let me go over here. I can see there are 6 emails. Okay, yeah. So the email is sent to this particular email address. And now let's see how, this personalization is working. So let me open this email. Let me go to the email client. Okay, so you can see that Global Harmony Initiative, thank you for donation. Now, if you see here, we have a CTA that is saying become a monthly dollar, or whatever CTA that you can use it. So now what I'll do is that I'll copy the link address over here and I go to incognito window. See, the donation which I made was from the different browser, and I'm opening the link from the different browser. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So now it is taking me uh, to the donation page, and now I'm using another browser itself, but it still have the information over here. Now you can see I did a $20 donation earlier. Now my initial donation now starts with the $50 amount. So which was the which earlier it was the second option, right? So now it becomes the first option. So now this way you encourage user to give more or donate more in that way, plus their information that which we have already have in the CDP. Now we are bridging them using the CDP, and we are bridging with the different browser to showcase the what you can say uh, to pre-fill the information that we have. And this is how we will be showcasing them, like we are personalizing the experience for them to make sure that they don't have to pre-fill the same information again and again. What they now actually have to do is that they just have to click this, select the country. If they want to what you can say, need to add a message, or again, like from here onwards, they again wants to, like subscribe for the what you can say updates or whatever it is. Let's see, clicked. Okay, let's go over here. Now the donation is done for the $50. We can see this amount also. We are also capturing this amount, what you can say, at the lytics also, to understand, like what was the donation last time. So let us see donor. I think we need to refresh this. Let me first copy this. So see, it was showing earlier, like the donation was only 20. Now let us again search. Okay, we don't want the search. So donate. Now you will be able to see 50. Yeah. So again, this is something we are working on. We are also working on to see, like how many times user has done the donation. Currently it is not showing the correct number, but ultimately, like as we progress, like this will also get improved, and we will also have the information about how many times user has done the donation. This is how we have built the solution for non-profit organization, where we have include no code page creation, plus some AI services or AI features which help them easily translate the content, and for helping them in accessibility, like adding some alt text. We are working on more of the features similar to like this, so that it is easier for marketeers to roll out certain content which used to take some time, but now with the help of AI we are able to create it very quickly. Plus personalization journey, from where, like it will help or attract donor to increase their donation amount, and eventually it will help the cause that the non-profit organization working upon. So this is the solution that we have built for nonprofit organization using composable architecture to make their lives easier. So if you have any suggestion, or if you want to discuss this, like what are the future plans, roadmap for this solution, then please do connect with me over LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn ID. I would love to discuss the ideas, the future plans, or any sort of suggestions you guys have. So thank you so much for staying on this video, and take care. Bye bye.